Following information of Mr. J portfolio investment in ABC 200 lakhs, investment XYZ 200 lakhs. Daily standard deviation 1%. Coefficient of correlation between two shares 0.3. Okay, so require 10 days 10 days of risk of 0.33 is 2.33. Mr. J portfolio give an Z score of normal table 99% confident to show the calculation of to 4 decimal. Okay. We'll see what is the risk. 200 into 1 percentage, how much? It's 2 lakhs. So each asset variation of portfolio is ABC risk whole square plus XY is XY is at the risk the whole square plus 2 into coefficient how much? 0.33. How much? 0.3 how much? 0.3 into 2 into 2. A plus B the whole square, that is thing. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. We would not that here we adding the coefficient, that's it. We're getting 10.4. That's the coefficient formula. We got a the standard deviation of coefficient is 3.22 lakhs. According to standard deviation of 10 days is root 3. So 3.22 into 3 is 10.18 lakhs. In the form of the normal table, we see z square as 1%, 2.3. They mean that 1% of stand normal distribution lies to 0.33 standard deviation below the mean. So 10 days of 10.33 is 2.33 into 10.23.972 lakhs. That is the total risk, value at risk. 23.72 lakhs is value at risk.